Good morning. Here we are from Grand Forks, North Dakota. We're gonna send it out to Travis. Travis, can you let us know where you're at right now?
I'm in Cairo, Egypt right now, fighting the biggest sandstorm ever.
All right, Travis. You seem to be getting chirped right now. Do you have any input on this?
Chirped? What does that mean?
I think the story's flying right over your head.
Are there birds? I don't see any birds.
You will look up.
Man, I'm really in the mood for some swans right now.
Yeah, those are really good snacks. I feel like, Travis, should we get you some when you're back?
Would you like some schwans when you get back?
Schwan?
The Schwann's ice cream man. You know, the guy that comes around in a truck.
Well, I mean, you guys must be richer than me because I'm poor. What's Schwans?
Yeah, well, anyway, I think this place is packed.
Yeah, it really looks like there's a lot of stuff going on.
Do you have stock footage of an Amazon facility?
Well,
It must be packed.
wait, Travis, is that your mom?
My mom's back in the USA, not Cairo, Egypt, you dog.